Cybertruck production at Giga Texas is showing clear signs of recovery after Tesla took legal action last month against a supplier that had held back manufacturing tooling. Aerial observer Joe Tegmeyer flew over the Austin factory on Wednesday morning and counted roughly 100 or more Cybertrucks in the outbound lot. That number marks a clear increase from the much lower counts recorded in recent weeks. The observation came one day after a judge issued a temporary restraining order in Tesla's favor against Angstrom Automotive Group, the supplier at the center of the issue. Tesla filed an emergency lawsuit in late July after Angstrom informed the company it intended to close the Troy, Texas facility that housed Tesla's die-cast tools, trim dies, and other Cybertruck stamping equipment. According to Tesla's complaint, a shipment of 700 finished parts remained inside the building. When Tesla representatives arrived with law enforcement to collect the company equipment, they were refused entry. Angstrom then reportedly requested an additional $250,000 per week to continue operations, a demand Tesla described in its filing as an attempt to hold the company's own property for leverage. U.S. District Judge Christopher R. Wolf of the Western District of Texas, Waco Division, granted Tesla a temporary restraining order and writ of replevin in the case against Angstrom Automotive. The order gives Tesla immediate access to the facility so it can recover the tooling. While the order is temporary and a full hearing is still ahead, the rapid rise in outbound vehicles suggests the missing parts and tools had been the primary limit on Cybertruck production. Counts of vehicles in the outbound lot are not a perfect measure of daily output because finished trucks can remain on site for several days before shipping. Still, a lot that full after a period of low numbers is a meaningful positive indicator. Cybertruck production at Giga Texas has varied throughout the year as Tesla addressed supply challenges and introduced new versions, including a more affordable, dual-motor, all-wheel drive model that attracted strong early interest. My take: seeing Cybertruck production rebound so quickly after the court order is a good sign of how effectively Tesla can respond to supply problems. The company moved decisively to protect its manufacturing equipment, and the results are already visible at Giga Texas. Elon and the Tesla team continue to push the Cybertruck forward despite obstacles. I fully support Tesla, SpaceX, and the determination that keeps these vehicles rolling off the line.